We began our journey in social media about 4-5 years back. We began by listening and tracking to all the chatter that's happening in social media around our bank. We put up a tracking mechanism to cover a lot of sites, and we were able to understand customer queries, customer requests, which we started responding to. So after listening to the queries, we integrated our tracking mechanism with our CRM. That was a phase where we put up a dedicated team to be able to respond to all queries and requests on social media. The next phase of social media journey was when we launched our Facebook page. And today we are proud to say that we have 2.8 million fans, the highest among Indian banks. And we are also proud to have a very high engagement rate in comparison to other banks. In Facebook itself, we have had 1 or 2 phases. We launched with a particular strategy. We've improved upon the content strategy. We've launched apps in our whole journey. A few months back, we launched Pockets, which is a very unique app. To the best of our knowledge, such an app does not exist anywhere in the banking world. A person who uses this app can get access to his or her bank account on Facebook. Just to clarify, while we are saying bank account on Facebook, the data is lying on our server, so there is no security issue. But Facebook is the medium to access the bank account. So that was an important milestone when we launched. So it's been an interesting journey for us. We've communicated all our products and services, all our other messages, and we're glad to say that we've got good response, good engagement rates, and we will continue on the journey with some new plans in the months to come. Learnings are very simple. First, be absolutely transparent. So if somebody says he has an issue, accept it and resolve it at the earliest. That's what people love. In fact, a lot of people have come back and acknowledged the fact that the issues have got resolved very quickly, and they've been appreciative of it. So that's one big learning, and we continue to do that. Second learning is communicate what's not important only for you as a bank, but communicate what people would love to listen. So get the right strategy of what's important for them and what's important for us. Third, communicate stuff in a slightly humorous manner. That's what people love to hear, and not the boring things. So those have been the few important learnings. Fourth is a lot of pundits have told us that social media is only for conversations. You can't communicate products. People get bored. But we're happy to say that we have communicated a lot of our products, got a lot of leads, got a lot of inquiries around those products. People have appreciated the fact that we have so many of these features on technology and other stuff that are convenient to customers to use. So if products are relevant to the customer, to the fan, and if it's communicated in an interesting manner, people will love it. So these have been our main learnings, and quite a few more of smaller ones also.